Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request to join someone's TikTok live. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. Now you can add another person or request to join a various TikTok live if that person has enabled that feature. I walk you through how you can request that access and some limitations on when you can add can't join their TikTok live. So first of all, if I just open the TikTok application, so at the very top left here, you can see the live option. If you tap on this live option, and you can see at the very bottom rows, gift and share. Now this TikTok live does not have the ability to request to join the live. So we need to scroll down until one of those gives us access. This one you can see those two different peoples, the pink and the blue person. I can tap on that, and that is how you request to join the TikTok live. But see at the very top what happens when I do that, it says live access is needed to go live as a guest. So in order to be able to join someone's TikTok live, you need to be able to have access to TikTok live itself, which means you need 1000 followers. So once you get 1000 followers, you can tap that button and it will allow you to join their TikTok live. But up until then, it won't even allow you, even if the other person has enabled that feature. You can join it until you have those 1000 followers. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.